Hey guys, how's it going everybody? And today we're going to be baking some cookies. This is the batter that I used last time I made cookies. If you guys remember, I made sugar cookies. It turned out to be a disaster. So, I don't know what happened. The cookies ended up being...
It's bloody, you. It's bloody.
The cookies ended up being way too flat because I was supposed to be able to roll them out. So these are my little helpers today. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of flour.
I don't know how to bake, so I'm gonna practice it.
We're gonna add a little bit of flour to it. Maybe, hopefully, gonna give it a
Let's
nice
just
little
decide
texture.
to ask.
Wait, no, I got it. No. Okay, so what you guys can do right now?
To us, please. Without two subscribers.
Guys,
Subscribe
go
to
subscribe.
us.
Wait,
And subscribe to this.
is there anything in this I should add?
And subscribe to my big
Okay, be
brother.
careful.
Oh gosh.
Oh, yeah.
That big
Oh, hot. I
brother.
can't breathe. Pause. Even the spoon's hot.
There's hot water that went
Hopefully
on
this.
me.
So I think.
Bobby, hurry. Hurry up.
The battery's so good. Okay.
Let's take it to so long.
Because I'm trying to stir the flour.
And make it.
So I divided some of the batter, and today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon to get a nice little lemon flavor. Since spring's coming up and
Lemon juice. Pour the lemon juice in.
not a lot.
I mean, are you making a package in there?
No, I wanted to make a Pac-Man, but probably not gonna make a Pac-Man.
Take it.
Let's mix this all together.
Everybody knows Pac-Man. Not everybody.
This
I
is a
know
small lemon.
Pac-Man. And it goes to you. I just know Pac-Man. I know Pac-Man World. I know Pac-Man World 2. I know Pac-Man World 3.
It doesn't taste anything like lemon.
Pac-Man. I know what. I know Pac-Man Mania.
I don't think it's Pac-Man Mania.
I think it's spelled Pac-Man Mania. Like, if I look up, like, Sonic Mania, and I see Pac-Man Mania, I think they would say the same thing. And they could say Paxson Mania. Tax Mania. No, Pac-Man Mania. I try to mix up Sonic and Pac-Man and Mania mix up together.
Well, I'm not quite sure this is going to be lemon, so...
There's no lemon really?
I added some, but it's not the dough's not tasting like lemon.
If we helping you, why are we not doing anything?
Because it's not really much to do. I told you guys.
Make sure to decide and do this more just eyeball.
I did tell you guys that I don't really need any helpers, but you guys insisted on helping, so yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more flour to it. Give it a nice little mix. Scrape down any sides of batter or flour. That you see.
Gosh, this is hot, yo.
Let's get a baking pan and put some wax paper on it. So here's what you guys can do to help. I'm not quite sure what to do. The mixture still didn't do anything. So I think it's because I think
this won't work on me.